You are listening to Diaspora Haiti. I go by the name of Ali. Welcome. Hello. What's up, beautiful people? How you guys doing? Today we will be bringing you a brand new episode about Haiti going to the World Cup. Yes, I am super excited about this news. When I found out Haiti qualified to go to the next World Cup, which will be taking place here in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Well, before I dive into the things, I want to talk about the very first time that actually Haiti qualified to go to the World Cup. The very first time was in 1974, and that World Cup took place in what I would call, or they called back in the day, West Germany. As we all know, it used to be East West Germany. So this World Cup took place in West Germany, and that was the exact first time Haiti ever been to the World Cup, and that was the only time Haiti has been to the World Cup. The second time around will be in 2026 next year. So we like a shy 6 months away for preparation to go to the World Cup. The questions everybody's asking: will Haiti win the World Cup? Wow, this is the question. So let me tell you a little bit something about this qualification. From a group that was very, very difficult, and on that group there was Honduras, Costa Rica, and Nicaragua. And out of those teams, they give Haiti the least amount of chance to qualify from that group. Guess what? We finished on top of the group, and then we made it. Yes. Despite everything, one of the things that actually fascinated about this national soccer team when this World Cup qualifications campaign, Haiti actually did not play a single game at home. What a lot of people don't know or don't pay attention, Haiti basically has been on lockdown for the past 4 or 5 years. Nothing. So the team actually had to adapt to a new home, and they play all the home games somewhere in the Caribbean, and that's where they welcome all the team that are supposed to be playing in Haiti with. So with that said, this national soccer team have been through a lot, to say the least. But the Haitian people, we actually been through so much. But you know what? You can feel the happiness in me, because we go into the World Cup and we will show the world that we are mean business and we will play football. Now, the days that I remember, there was a time when Haiti played any team in the world, like especially the top teams. We were like fans, the fans on the soccer fields. We were just happy to be there. Those days are over. We actually have a solid team. Now let's talk a little bit about the World Cup in 1974. The World Cup in 1974 and did a few notable players that actually marked the world. The number one name that everybody probably know was Mano Sano. This guy was a Haitian legend. And then we had the like of Philip Vorb. This guy, they say that he was a magician in the midfield. This man was just doing incredible thing. He was the engine of the soccer team. And we have some other names. We have the goalkeeper. I think his name was Wilner Piquant. I remember as a kid that when we hear those names, we were like, man, yeah, I want to be like Mando Sano. I want to be like Philip Vorb. I want to be like Wilner Piquant. Those are the names that actually marked the household of Haiti when I was a child and who we look up to that we wanted to be like. Now, before I get into the meat and dive into the next segment, his name was, or his still, I believe he's still alive, Dino Zoff. This man had not conceded a goal in a very long time. And Sano was the one that actually broke that record when he scored one of the two goals Haiti scored against Dino Zoff, and it was a shockwave around the world because this goalkeeper was very good, and the Italy team had like a very clean sheet for a long time. And the second goal actually Haiti scored also was scored by Mando Sano, and it was against Argentina. And that was also a big deal because Argentina and Italy, these two teams, these two countries always been top dog in soccer world. And mind you, in the very next World Cup, 1978, Argentina won that World Cup. Now, before I move forward, I want to tell you guys one thing a lot of people don't know. The two teams outside Haiti that the Haitian people love the most are Brazil and Argentina. Now, in 1974, Haiti was in the same group with Argentina. This time around, in next year's World Cup, Haiti is in the same group with Brazil. Don't be surprised if, and I know it will happen, if you have some Haitian actually going for Brazil to beat Haiti. Don't ask me how someone can feel like that, but that's how much these people love Brazil and Argentina as far as like the soccer football team. And I know it will happen. I know there are going to be people that want to see Haiti lose against Brazil, but it is what it is. That's their preference. That's what they like. They've been rooting for their team for a long time. But I know Haiti, we will show the world. We will show the world we are here and we're not just going to be playing around. Now, 1974 was the first time, and that's the only thing that we always talked about as far as World Cup. Personally, I did not think that Haiti was going to be qualified for the World Cup because going to the World Cup, it's a big deal. It is a very big deal. It's not something that's easy at all. It's always gonna be the top dogs that qualify, the team that has the most money, the most talent. Very seldomly that you will get like a small country that qualified, but it's always the top dogs. But this time around, Haiti's in, and we will be showing the world that we are mean business. During the qualification, like I was saying, Haiti did not really play a home game on the home soil. So we play our home games somewhere in Curacao, I believe. And thank you to the people from Curacao who helped us. Yes. And we are back. We will be talking about the group that Haiti's in this next World Cup. Well, this group is it's going to be a very difficult one because we have Brazil, Morocco, and Scotland. Now, we all know if you look at the FIFA world ranking right now, Brazil is in top 5, and Morocco is in top 20, and Scotland actually is in top 40, I believe, and Haiti is in the top 90. So Haiti is all the way 86th place. So once again, the experts going to say that Haiti is gonna be the one finished last in that group, and me, My feeling inside, something's telling me that I don't know if we're gonna win the group, but we will be qualifying to go to the next round from the 48 team to 32. So we will be one of the 32 teams that go to the next round, the rounds of playoffs. Hey, people gonna go with Brazil. Of course, Brazil's the top dog, so they automatically gonna say Brazil's gonna win the group and Morocco gonna be next, or vice versa, because Morocco has they have a very solid team. Scotland, but Haiti is not gonna be the one that finished last. I'm telling you, and I'm guaranteeing you that Haiti will be coming through out of that group. Now, it's a little bit easier this time around to qualify to the next round because they added extra teams. So the World Cup usually around 32 teams. So this time around, it will be 48 teams. So the first 32. So the way it works this time around, the the first uh the first and second out of each group of four teams will be qualified. Mm. So, and then they're gonna pick the best eight of the I would say eight of the third best teams gonna be going to also. So they're gonna take 24 teams directly, and then they're gonna pick the eight of the best third place team, and Haiti is going to be one of them. And if we not finish at the top two in that group, because it's gonna be a very difficult group, I have to say, nothing is going to be easy because all those three countries play beautiful football. Brazil, we already know they won this World Cup 5 times. Morocco actually last year went to all the way to the semifinal, I believe. And in Scotland, they breathe football, so that's what they do. So guess what? Haiti's right there too. Haiti will be there, and in Haiti, we are passionate about football, but this is the very first time we actually feel like we have a team. We have a chance. We have a team, and we will be making the best of it. So the world, watch out. Now, the question everybody's asking: can Haiti win the World Cup? Can Haiti actually lift the trophy? Before we talked about that, then we need to address a few things, like the players. The Haitian people, we travel all over the world to migrate, and a lot of people in the diaspora abroad, and they have children in those countries. So the problem right now is that some of the players who are born in a different country feel like uh, they should wait. They should wait to see if the country where they were born at call them to the national soccer team before they commit to Haiti. What I'm going to tell you guys, players like Wilson Isidore, Jean-Baptiste Gorby, and we got the two Norwegian brothers, the Haitian Norwegians, Emil and Mikel Said. Please do not wait. Do not wait, man. Just commit right now. Just show the Haitian people you are on board and you want to support, you want to be part of that. Do not wait until France or Norway or Poland, Germany, wherever you were born, do not call you and then you want to commit. No, because we want to build chemistry. Football is about chemistry. So if we know exactly how many players who are committed to the soccer team, we can start building our chemistry, start practicing, and start getting to know one another. That's the reason I'm calling on you guys. Please do not wait. Let's join the national soccer team right now and show the Haitian that you are behind them and you are with them. Let's go win this World Cup. Yes, we can win the World Cup if we play together, if we put our effort together. We can win this because the game's gonna be playing on the pitch. Know what I mean? The game's not gonna be playing on paper. Yeah, don't worry about Argentina. Yeah, they are the defending champion. Don't worry about Spain. Yes, they are a very strong team, world class players all around. Don't worry about Brazil. Don't worry about Holland. Don't worry about Germany, England. Yes, we know Portugal. We know they are the top dogs. But guess what? Haiti, we play soccer too. It's gonna be playing on the field. And you know, when you play soccer, it's about effort and energy. If the energy shifted in our way and we play with heart, with passion, and we respect the game, we can win any game against any team. Let's stay disciplined. You know what I mean? So let's not be discouraged. Don't worry about the big names. Haiti will qualify to be the next 32 teams, and from there, anything can happen. Because you know, it's just one game. You win, you go home. Win or go home, and anything can happen. And like I said, this team, this time around, we love this team. We like our chances against all the other big teams. Now, Haitian people, man, please do me a favor. Let's stay together, man. Don't worry about the outside noise. Don't worry about people that try to divide us. You know what I mean? We never gonna make it if we divide it. Let's stick together. Let's stick to a plan and then show the world that we are capable of doing big things. Let's go, Haiti. Allah so grenadier. Moi avec nous. Now, there's one more thing that I need to talk about, and I need to take a breather because this is gonna be it is a very touchy subject, and I will be right back. Yes. Welcome back, my beautiful people. We are here, and we are Diaspora Haiti. The next topic is going to be the Jersey. Now, there is a lot going on right now about the team jersey. What it is the design on the jersey, on the shirt itself. The design has this, I would say, this retro image. What the Haitian people call it, or what the world call it, is veve. The veve is a ritual image to certain spirit. Now, the Christian world, as soon as Haiti qualified to go to the World Cup, this has become a problem. Mind you, Veve, the ritual images on the jersey were always on the jersey. When we were playing our qualification games, the images were on the jersey. It was never an issue. Why? As soon as we qualified to go to the World Cup, which is a big thing, the Christian community decided to raise questions about it, or will not be supporting the team if the team wearing a jersey like that. I don't have a problem with that if you don't wanna support something that you don't believe in. But keep in mind, where were you when the team were going through his obstacle? When we were going through the qualifications, the jersey was always the same. It never changed. Suddenly, it's a big deal. Talk to me. Why is it a big deal now? You will not be supporting the team. This is not a time for us to be divided, like I was saying earlier. This is time for us to come together behind the national soccer team to push it forward. It's gonna be Haiti versus the world. That's why it's called World Cup. It's one country versus the rest of the world. Why are we divided over something that has very meaning? It's a ritual, it's an image. And there are other nations that I know of that actually put images of certain ancestors, certain ritual on their jersey. So why we want to become one of the countries that divided? No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna tolerate that. You gotta remember, soccer will be playing on a pitch, on the field. So whether you could play, uh, you can play with no shirt, sleeves, jacket. It doesn't matter. Is what we do on the field. That's what's gonna count. So let's put our energy behind a team. We do not want to go through a division. Oh, I don't want to support. Okay, you don't want to support our national team, but you want to support Brazil. You want to support Argentina. You want to support Mexico. Why? Why? What are you getting out of that? So come on now, Haitian people, we need to wake up. I'm not gonna go into details about the images on that. No, that's not the time. Let's wait at after the World Cup, then we can have those discussions. Right now, we're gonna put our effort behind the team, and we're gonna move forward. I'm gonna be making the next episode exclusively about this subject because I have a lot to say, and my guests also have a lot to say. So until next time, guys, that's all I have. Let's go Haiti, Grenadier à l'assaut. Let's go win this World Cup to make the Haitian people proud. Ciao. Good night, guys.